Hi, my name is Denise Jackson. Today is September 16th. This is for week 2 histology, the video exercise. So today I'll be discussing the 4 basic types of tissues in the body. There's the epithelial, the connective, the muscle, and the skeletal. The epithelial tissues refer to the sheets of the cells that cover the exterior surfaces of the body and that line the cavities and the pathways, and they form certain glands. Some of the major functions of the epithelial tissue include protection, secretion, absorption, and filtration. The skin is an organ made up of epithelial tissue which protects the body from any outside dirt or bacteria. And some of these could be harmful, so the epithelial tissue protects the body from any outside things getting through. Cells of the epithelial tissue have different shapes, and they're either thin or they could be flat, they can be cubic, or they can be elongated. Then there's also the connective tissue. It's actually the most abundant and the most widely distributed tissue. This tissue helps bind the cells and the organs of the body together and function to protect, to support, and integrate all parts of the body. Some examples of connective tissues are the loose connective tissues. There's fat tissue, there's dense tissue, there's cartilage, bone, blood, and lymph. The third basic type of tissue is the muscle tissue. The muscle tissue is excitable and it responds to stimulation, and it contracts to provide movement to the body, and it can occur in 3 different types. There's skeletal muscle, there's smooth muscle, and then there's cardiac muscle. Skeletal muscle is voluntary. It's a voluntary type of muscle tissue that contracts. Then there's the smooth muscle, which is found in the walls of internal organs and in blood vessels. And then there's, the smooth type of muscle is involuntary as well. And the cardiac muscle is only found in the heart, in the walls of the heart, and it is involuntary in nature as well. Then there's the nervous tissue. That's the 4th basic type of tissue, the nervous tissue. And this type of tissue is excitable, and it allows for the propagation of electrochemical signals in the form of nerve pulses that communicate between different regions of the body. Nerve cells or neurons are long and they are string-like. Thank you.